What's up guys, welcome to the Health and Conscious YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. For today's vlog, I'll be showing you some vegetarian foods that I novice can start with, or recipes that you can eat during breakfast, lunch or dinner. Don't worry, they're easy to make, they're rich in nutrients, they're inexpensive, and they fit in every Filipino and non-Filipino palates. So without wasting your time, let's get started. For breakfast, you can prepare something that's quick to make. I call this one oatmeal raisins with strawberry banana smoothie. Here are the ingredients that you will need. And then, during lunch, you can prepare something like an eggplant adobo in which you will need these ingredients. Remember to pair it with pickled cucumbers and put in lots of fried garlic. Now for dinner, you can try this coconut mushroom veggies with bitter gourd salad. With this, you'll be needing some of these ingredients. Remember to always start it slow when you transition to become a vegetarian so you don't get discouraged and quit eventually. Hence why vegetarian is not for everyone. You can either start eliminating meat intake during lunch or dinner to get used to it.